Hi, my name is John Welty, and I write the ductline control software for Mestek Machinery. In this video, I'd like to demonstrate how to align fiberglass insulation to the fixed metal edges in the Insulmatic. It can be difficult to tell if your fiberglass insulation guides on the upper deck of the Insulmatic are in line with the fixed metal edges of the part traveling on the belts below. In order to line these up, we recommend using the frame of the machine as a common measuring location. In order to do this, you're going to need two sheets of metal of about 4 feet in length. You're going to want a long level or a straight edge. You're going to want a square, and you're going to need a measuring tape. Begin by ensuring that your parts can pass through the Insulmatic without touching anything that would shift the part's position on the belts. This means that you'll want your edge guides pulled out of the way as well. Nothing in the Insulmatic should change the path of the part as it travels through the machine. And note also that we recommend that you jog the part all the way from the fixed metal edge of the transfer table through the roll former and then into the Insulmatic to ensure that you have the correct fixed metal edge for automatic operation. You'll want to stop the part so that the metal is both in the roll former and starting to enter the Insulmatic. If you don't have a roll former before the Insulmatic, you'll want to jog it in so that the fixed metal edge is being controlled by the preceding table or machine. Now, using a long level or straight edge, measure from the flange edge to the outside of the machine frame as you see here. Now, using the same long level or straight edge, go to the exit end of the edge guide and measure from the same frame side tube to the inside of the fiberglass insulation guide. You'll want to adjust the guide so that you get the same measurement as recorded down below. And you see us doing this here in this image. Now move to the entrance end and, using a square, make sure the fiberglass insulation guide measures the same at both ends. And now you'll want to adjust both ends of the roll edge guide with the same technique. Once you have these guides set to match the material down below, you are ready to feed the fiberglass insulation up against this fixed metal edge, and then go to the other side and set that guide to fit the insulation. You want to have the guide snug against the insulation, but not crowding it or compressing it. After you've ran test parts to confirm that the guides are good and your insulation is tracking the part below, you can mark these guards with a magic marker and a label such as TDC or TDF. For your slip and drive parts, you'll want to repeat these steps with the slip and drive part passing into the Insulmatic using the normal edge guide positions. Note that we recommend that you jog this part all the way from the fixed metal edge of the transfer table through the roll former and then into the Insulmatic to ensure that you have the correct fixed metal edge for automatic operation. And with this, you should now have your guides properly lined up.